Well, here we are. Let's check out this sign. Isn't this pretty?
It's super pretty with all these flowers and everything.
Yeah. All right, we're here in Kanab, Little Hollywood. For those of you that don't know where Kanab is, it's a little town in southern Utah. They want me to replace this sign right here. They want everything the same except no Chamber of Commerce, just Kanab, Bryce, Grand, Lake Powell, Zion. So I'm just here to get some measurements. We're gonna measure it up and figure this thing out, go back to the shop and get this thing built. They also want me to measure a sign on the south end of town, and we'll give you just a little tour of Kanab and a few of the historic things that are here. And if you're ever in southern Utah, you need to come check it out. It's a pretty cool little town. We're surrounded by all the red rock. There's red rock everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some measurements real quick here, and then we'll head south of town. This is going to be a fun job. It's going to be pretty interesting. Let's see what's on the back side, because I got to remake the metal. So it looks like they just got some kind of a strap, and I'm thinking maybe like a channel to keep the sign from warping.
Yeah, that would be better, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's go check out the sign on the south end of town, and we'll get a little footage in between here and there. That's not so bad.
No.
I was thinking it was going to be more difficult, but look, it's got these metal troughs in there. I'm still curious how you get it. You're going to have to slide it in one way and slide it back the other. So this sign here is going to be interesting. I'm going to have to find a specialty piece of plywood that's 5 feet tall and 10 feet long. And then I gotta probably get all of those words cut with vinyl and just go over it with vinyl, and then go over it with like a marine grade varnish or something. I'm not really certain, but that's what it looks like. Is this is just a vinyl over a white. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to source all of that out, see if I can get the same printed somewhere. Kanab City should have it, and hopefully I can, well, I know I can make it look a lot better than it is. It's just a matter of how much is it going to cost to do it. Stay tuned and see what we figure out on this sign right here.
Check out this truck. Just here getting some tacos.
So we're on our way back from Kanab, looking at those signs that we're going to do for Kanab City. And I thought, let's stop and look at this old motorhome. It's got equivalent to a diesel pusher. It's got a rear engine 440 Mopar. I'm going to take the motor out of this old girl and put it in my 73 Challenger. Let's check it out. Oh, right there. Look at that. Edelbrock. It's even got the high rise. It's got no headers, but it's got a pretty cool exhaust manifold.
That's pretty cool.
That right there is raw American muscle. That 440 would make that 73 scoop down the road. So we got to get over here and get this old girl. Looks like we got a couple of tire issues here. Oh, they're both gone.
Mm-hmm.
Trash too. since it's all retro, we could park this thing next to my wood shop and use it for just an old office.
I'll move right in.
Look at it though. Let's check out this 66 Chevy pickup right here. This is a factory short bed 66, and this thing is sick. Half ton. Check out the inside. All original. Yeah. This, I mean, they just don't even make them like this anymore. Look at the louver. Yeah. That is one cool truck. This, yeah. These are just, they're rare. They're hard to find in this condition. This thing is a gem. That's a pretty cool truck. Oh yeah. Look at that. Who painted it? Had an Indian guy paint it.
That
Original
is
color.
sweet.
That is sweet. Yeah. You have a light? Yeah, right here. Let's put a little light on this subject. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness, look at that. That was a productive day. We got to go measure the signs for Kanab City. Look at the motor that's going in the Challenger, which happens to be a 73. What are the odds of that? And then as a bonus, we got to see the 64.5 fastback. That's the first year they made the Mustang fastback. And that 66 Chevy pickup. What an awesome dude old Bud is. I've known Bud since I was just a little guy. He's had some of the most amazing cars you can imagine throughout all these years. So we hope you like this episode. We're mixing it up a little bit. Like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.